All right, welcome back, everybody. It's been a minute for me. Thought I'd ease myself back into recording on a regular basis by just doing a simple screen protector installation for my Pixel 9. This is the Mag Plus. This is a matte screen protector. I already had one on there. I took it off. So to prepare for this, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to clean the screen off and clean it off good. Make sure I don't get any lint on the screen, and I already see that I do, and I'm all out of tape. So hopefully this turns out good. Okay, there we go. And I'm gonna open this up. I think this comes with a template, so this should be easy. This should be stupid proof or dummy proof. Let's see what we get here. We get activate lifetime warranty. You know, MagGlass. Oh, okay. So I thought this was this original company. It's actually by Encase. This the company that they make cases. So you got your installation instructions here. Nothing on the back. Okay. Pretty straightforward. Here's the screen protector itself. I'm just going to put that to the side for right now. Let's see what else we get in here. All right. We get a template. Okay, it says, I don't know if you can see that, Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro. Let me get some cleaning stuff. You got the alcohol wipe. Okay, thank God, stickers, because I had a bunch of them. I've been cleaning up, and I just threw all my stickers away. So I don't have any more, and I don't have any tape. I found that like tape, no matter what kind you use, whether it's packing tape, just any kind of tape, it makes it a whole lot easier to clean, to get all of the little like specks of dust, the little like lint off the phone or off the screen. I'm using like Clorox disinfectant wipes, and these leave behind a bunch of like little tiny little specks of dust. So I'm just going to use what's coming in, what's inside with the screen protector. So I'm gonna wipe it off again, make sure I get the edges, because those are usually where the little specks of dust hide. The static electricity, it'll connect to the screen protector, and then you got like, you know, a bunch of little hairs on the side. Okay, that looks pretty good. I see a little speck here and there. It's not a problem, because I'm about to use this microfiber cloth that came with it and just wipe them all off. And just go from, I just usually go from like top to bottom. That usually helps. Sometimes, not all the time. Okay. All right, I still see some, so now that's when you use the dust absorber or dust remover. Let me see if I can't get this. Okay, there. Okay, I saw one towards the battery and the fingerprint. Let me see. I'm just gonna go around the world. There we go. It'd be nice if the screen, yeah, I should have just turned the phone off. That way I can see. I would have missed that. All right, that looks good enough. I don't see any more. My hands are pretty clean. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this template on here like so. And for once, they actually cut it out perfectly, because usually I had one before I did, and thing kept popping off. So number one is the back, and right here, this is the matte portion. This is what you're gonna see. So this is the back of it. So I'm just gonna peel this off. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it a little different. I'm gonna put the top part in first. All right, I'm gonna let that adhere to the screen. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull this slowly away from the screen protector. And I just basically knocked the box off. I didn't mean to. There you go. Not a speck of dust on there. I actually got it right. Let's see. There's definitely some dust on top, but as far as on the screen, no. Okay, I'm just gonna push that to the edge. I got a little air bubble here. Oh man. Yo, this is rare that I actually do these right the first time. And it's even more rare that I actually catch it on camera. That way I have evidence. Let me see. I'll wipe off the screen protector. I'm gonna take a look at it. This looks perfect to me. This looks perfect. Ooh, okay, let me turn the screen off. Okay, that's perfect. I never get these things right the first time. Look at that. And it's matte. Ooh, I like that. It's not reflective. Well, a little bit. Well, my light is pretty bright. Okay, let me get my Pixel 8a, because that's also a Mag Plus. All right. Let's see here. Yeah, it looks nice. It looks very nice. I mean, why is the Pixel 8a a minute faster than the 9? That's strange. Well, there you have it. These are the Mag Plus Matte Screen Guard screen protectors for the Google Pixel series. Now, I've already done this one before. I've shown you. And now this one for the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro. And that's a wrap. Be sure to leave a comment and, like this video, subscribe. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things slowly but surely. Knock on wood. I can stay consistent throughout the month. But yeah, enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next video.